Hello everyone. In this video we will learn Python. This is our first video. In this video we will understand Python and its features, install Python and IDE, write first program in Python, and learn syntax, indentation, and commands. So what is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted and general-purpose programming language. Understand by interpreted language, high-level language, or general-purpose language. Let's break it down. High level means closer to human language, not a machine coding. Means example you can write print hello. Here in print hello, print and hello are readable contents, not 01 like 0010 something. So in this language you can write by human readable languages. There is no need to manage memory manually in this language. So that's why it is high level language. It is interpreted language because runs line by line using Python. Interpreter, no compilation needed. Means if you're writing the program in Python, so you will know the mistakes wherever the mistakes are. You don't need to write the complete program and at the end you will go and find what is the mistake, where was the mistake. Python will tell, here is the mistake, you write the program, you write the same line and in this line there is mistake. Python will tell you that's why it is interpreted language. And what is general purpose? General purpose means it is used for so many domains. Means you can use Python for any kind of application: web development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, game development, IoT, and so more. Means whatever the field you can think, Python can help you on it. So that's why Python is general purpose language. What about history of Python? History of Python, it was created by Guri Van Rossum in 1989 and released on 1991. Okay, it was named after the comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus, and it is open source in community driven. Why it is said that it is open source? It is open source because you can directly download it on free and you can use it. There is no need to pay for it. And current version that is running is Python 3. Why we are learning the Python? Why we are not approaching other languages in compared to Python? So here we will see advantages of Python. Python is one of the easiest programming languages to start with. It reads almost like English. Its advantage is that easy to learn and write, easy to learn and read, simple English-like syntax, use community and tons of libraries, Math, Pandas, NumPy, etc. Works on all platforms, Windows, Mac, Linux. Used by top companies, Google, Netflix, Instagram, and great for beginners and professional alike. Now here you will see how to install Python on your system. So I have Windows, so I will explain you about Windows, but for Mac and Linux also it is similar to it. You just need to do some little bit changes. Okay, so we will go for this website https python www.python.org. Okay, this is the website where I went, the python.org. From here you can download it. If you click on this, you will download it. When you are installing the Python language, that Python software, so remember to add the Python to the path of your system. Means if you run the program, then your system should recognize that Python is available of this version. After installation, you just need to go for terminal. Okay, now here you can just write Python version. So here I have 3.1, 3.7. Okay, so I have the Python third version. Okay, so like this you can confirm that your system is Python installed or not. So I have 3.1, 3.7. Okay, so now if you install the Python and run in terminal, it should show like this 3.12 or 3.13 something. Then setting up IDE. Let's go for IDE. Which one is most preferable for me and for more professional teammates? My teammates are like this Visual Studio Code, VS Code. It is the most famous currently right now. Windows I will prefer because I have Windows. You can download for Linux and Mac also from here. So you can install it. Now after installation, you just need to go for IDE, open. This is the IDE cell. Here you can directly write the Python program also, and you can run it. Okay, so this is the normal if you download in Python and run the program. But for more better performance, we are using VS Code. Okay, here it is better for us. It will ask us where you have to save this file. So I will save it on desktop for your preference. Now this is the file is created, our hello world file. So now we will run our first program, hello world. Okay, so this is our first program, print hello world. Now if you run this, before running you have to save this. Whenever you do any minor change in Python program, you have to save it before running. Okay, now you run it. Here hello world is showing. Okay, so like this you can print something. So here what is print? Print is a built-in function which is already available on Python, so you do not need a different syntax to write something to print. It is already available there. You just need to use print function. In the inside this code, you can write your text inside the single quote or double quote. It is up to you. Here you can see there is single quote, but it can be double quote also. It is up to you. But remember, you always use the same thing. It's not like if in one program you are using single quote and in second program you are using double quotes. In third program you are using again double quote and fourth program you are using single quote. You should always use any same type of quotes. It will be easy for you in further programming. And interpreter here executes line by line, means what I am telling you. Like here is it is showing nothing. It is correctly executing, everything is proper. If I remove this, now if I save this and run this, look here. This is the error here. Now it is showing error because we removed this and add extra this without need. So this is the meaning of interpreter language. It will run line by line and it will tell you what mistakes are there you are doing, in which line you are doing mistake. So it is very helpful for you when you are learning Python language. Here we learn comments. What are comments? Comments are used for are ignored by Python language, used for notes and readability of developer. It describes and helps. It describes the code and helps the developer for further inquiries related to the program. Like if you write the code today and after 1 and hour, after 1 year, your friend comes to see that same program and you are not there. But your friends want to know what is this line means and what is another line means. So from that comment, from that note, your friend will be able to understand for what is this line is for. So comment is like that only. Comments are of two types, single line and multi-line. Single line means, I will show you from example directly. Here, single line means this is the single line. Here, if you use one hash, so the line in which you add hash, it will remove, it will be included at comment. And similarly for double quote or single quote, here you type 3 times. So it is also your comment. Now, the thing which is inside the comment will be ignored by Python language. It will not be considered as coding part. It is considered as only node. Look here. Here so many things are written. This is a single line command. This prints the message. But it only uh, taking the code as print Python is easy because other things are inside the command. These are only nodes for the developer help, for further inquiries, for helpful of developer, so that a developer can understand why this is written here, why this code is here, for what purpose is it is here. So this is command. You understand? Next is Python syntax and indentation. Syntax, you understand, means for print, like for printing syntax. Print whatever you want to print inside this code, you just write it, and this is the syntax of printing the message in Python. This much. Okay, so this is syntax. Now indentation. Indentation means whatever you write, it should be in a proper manner. If there is need of space, you should put a space. If there is need of semicolon, you should put semicolon. So it is mandatory in Python. Like this, if 5 is greater than 2, prints 5 is greater than 2. So here after semicolon in next line, there is space given. Okay, so this space is mandatory here. So it is necessary in Python language to give space. If there is no semicolon required, means whenever you write the Python program, in the end there is no required of semicolon. It is only required indentation. Is each new line represents a new statement. Here, one line is one statement. Now let's practice it with mini tasks. Here it is given. Okay, this is simple. You can try it by yourself. It will, if you save it, then run it. Here it is showing. My name is Dipesh. I'm 22-year-olds. So here you can try it by yourself and tell me. So this is your task. Write your own program that prints your name and one hobby. Okay. Now summary of this video. In this video, what you have learned: what Python is and its advantage, installation and IDE setup, wrote your first Python program, commands and syntax basics. In next video, we will learn variables, data types, and input-output of uh, data types and input and output.